Hi, this is Ilana. I'm going to explain the difference between the types of work covered under a maintenance plan and a bank of hours. Maintenance plans are designed to cover the kinds of routine maintenance that all WordPress websites need on a regular basis. These are things like backups, updates to the WordPress core files. This means the underlying WordPress software, the theme, and plugins. These are all the fun add-ons that give you things like contact forms or additional SEO capabilities. All of these things need to be updated regularly for the performance and the security of your website. So that's all of the things that are covered under maintenance. There's also regular security checks, regular site speed checks, and all of the information of exactly what is included is available on the pricing table that explains the different plans. There's a lot of additional value that I add in, especially for the Pro and corporate plans, where you get extra things like quarterly Google Analytics reports at no extra charge. Now, in addition to that, we have hourly work. So this is work that's performed on an hourly basis, or more frequently as part of a bank of hours. This covers all sorts of work that falls outside of routine maintenance. These are things like content updates, adding events to your events calendar, identifying the cause of an error message that started appearing. It can be things like troubleshooting why you aren't getting emails via your contact form that you used to. Now for this kind of work, you can pay hourly or through a bank of hours, and the bank of hours is designed to provide you with the best value. You pay for either 10 or 20 hours up front, and they're good for 6 months. Now, what this allows you to do is to save money on the hourly rate. And there's two kinds of hours banks, okay? Regular and Pro. And the main difference between them is the turnaround speed and the method of communication. Now, members of Pro maintenance plans or corporate maintenance plans get a free upgrade to a Pro bank of hours. The Pro bank of hours gives you some additional support. It allows you to contact me via WhatsApp in order to submit your questions or to follow up, and it results in a faster turnaround time. Really, what most customers do is they decide to go with a Pro maintenance plan and a Pro hours bank, and then they're sure to really get premium level support. If you have any questions, then feel free to shoot me a message, and I'll be happy to explain exactly what you need for your particular website.